Viewers, welcome to the Polymer Update Daily News Shorts. This is Neeraj Rawal here from the Polymer Update Mumbai office. Crude oil prices edged higher on Tuesday, while WTI traded last at US dollars 52.81, up 18 cents per barrel. Brent finished at 55.70, up 47 cents per barrel. Open spec naphtha prices on Tuesday were assessed lower at the US dollars 519.50 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels, a drop of US dollars 3 per metric ton from its previous close. Propylene prices in Asia were assessed steady through the day on Tuesday at the US dollars 925 per metric ton CFR China mark. Ethylene prices in Asia gained sharply on Tuesday. CFR Southeast Asia prices were at US dollars 1070 per metric ton, up US dollars 35 per metric ton, while CFR Northeast Asia prices were at the US dollars 1205 per metric ton, up US dollar 30 per metric ton. Strong demand sentiments and bullish downstream pricing trends together supported the price rise. RIL increased PET prices by Rs 2 per kg basic with effect from Feb 1st, 2017. The producer also hiked PP deemed export prices by Rs 1.50 per kg basic with effect from Feb 1st, 2017. Domestic producers are likely to increase PP and PE prices by Rs 1.50 to 2 rupees per kg basic today. Indian budget highlights. Indian Finance Minister Arun Jaitley presented the Union Budget for 2017-18 today. Following are the synopsis of the budget. Government to set up Phase 2 crude oil reserves at Odisha and Rajasthan to take crude oil reserve to 15.33 per million metric ton. India plans to make one integrated public sector oil major. Government proposed to cut 5% tax for those firms whose turnovers are below Rs 50 crore. 96% firms of the country would be benefited from this initiative. The transport sector allocation is pegged at Rs 2.41 lakh crore. Total spend on railways by government will be Rs 1.31 lakh crore in fiscal year 2018. Total allocation for infrastructure sector is pegged at a record high of Rs 3.96 lakh crore. Government plans to launch Aadhaar Pay shortly. Government plans to target Rs 2,500 crore digital transactions across platforms like UPI. Government plans to abolish the Foreign Investment Promotion Board and a new framework will be created. Fiscal deficit target for 2017-18 set at 3.2% and 3% for 2018-19. Revenue deficit is pegged at 1.9% of GDP. Basic custom duty on LNG to be reduced from 5% to 2.5%. Income tax rebate for those in Rs 2.5 lakhs to 5 lakhs range is cut from 10% to 5%. That is around 50% saving in income tax if a person is earning up to Rs 5 lakhs. For those in 20%, that is Rs 5 lakh to Rs 10 lakh and 30% Rs 10 lakh plus, there is a Rs 12,500 rebate. The total cost of the two measures for the government will be Rs 15,500 crore. To compensate for this, the government will levy a surcharge of 10% on those who are earning between Rs 50 lakh to Rs 1 crore. No transaction of over Rs 3 lakhs will be allowed in cash. In indirect taxes, no major changes in existing tax structure have been proposed because of rollout of GST. To get real-time polymer prices and daily news updates, subscribe to Polymer Update today. If you don't, your competitor will. Thank you.